Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Satisfied on the piano easily. We'll begin by identifying the core chords that form the song's foundation. You'll learn the simple C, G, a minor, and F major chords. These four chords are essential for playing the main sections. Practice transitioning between them slowly, ensuring your fingers are comfortable. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and muscle memory. Next, let's tackle the right-hand melody. We'll simplify it into easy-to-learn phrases, focusing on the main notes. Start by playing each phrase slowly, one at a time, until it feels natural. Pay attention to your finger placement. Using consistent finger numbers will help you achieve a smooth, flowing sound. Remember, patience is key as you build up your right-hand technique for this beautiful tune. Now, let's bring in your left hand to provide a simple, supportive bass line. For an easy approach, you'll primarily play the root note of each chord. For example, when playing a C major chord, your left hand will play a C. Focus on coordinating these root notes with your right hand chords, ensuring they strike together. Maintaining a steady, consistent rhythm with your left hand will anchor the entire piece beautifully. Finally, it's time to put both hands together. Begin by practicing at a very slow tempo, focusing on the coordination between your right hand melody and left hand accompaniment. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your playing speed. Remember to practice regularly, even for just 10 or 15 minutes each day, to solidify your progress and enjoy playing satisfied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.